Hello, what's up guys, welcome on my RC channel. Today I will show you my Feiyue FY03 and all modes I used here. So first of all, as you can see, I used the semi-slick wheels. They are really nice, they are soft and got very nice grip. Front wheels are a little smaller than real, but that's okay. Second of all, I used the brushless BL motor 2838 size, 4 poles, 3600 KV. I didn't use Racer Star this time, I choose this one, and I must say that this motor is stronger and faster than the Racer Star. If you watched my last video, then probably you saw how fast the car runs now. Of course, I used brushless ESC. It's 35 amps, so it is combo motor plus the ESC. I also used upgraded free-wire servo, Feiyue size. Also, I've changed the front shocks to oil, and the most important thing I did is that at the rear I used shorter oil shocks. So now the suspension and all the car is lower than normally, and the handling is better than the stock shocks size. So I highly recommend to use these shocks if you of course want to use this car on the road, and the car now runs really good. And at finish I used the FlySky GT5 transmitter and also receiver, and this receiver got gyroscope built in, and the car moves really good, no problem with handling. So I think this is the best option if you want really fast drive the car. And also I recommend to use this lipo. It's Gene Ace 2S, and this lipo fits here really good. I've also used the XT90 connectors, and how to install this lipo here. It's no problem, it fits her, and that's all. You also can use some tape to not move this lipo, but I run only on the flat terrain, so no problem. And car is really fast. I didn't expect that this car will be that fast, and I'm really happy of it. And I will show you now how the gyro works. Gyroscope, of course. Oh, I forgot, I must turn in. As you can see, if you move the car, the wheels are, servo is correcting the direction, and really this really helps. The car goes straight, no problem. And that's all. Please check my last video how the car runs. It runs really good. I will post right here video, or here, don't remember where, how the car runs. Okay, thank you for watching. All parts I used will be in the video description, so just open it and you will have there all. Okay, thank you and see you.